Good morning, everyone. Welcome to today's vlog. I hope you all are having a great day. So today we're gonna go grocery shopping. It's Monday. I didn't meal prep yesterday because we had my boyfriend's mom's birthday and all that, so didn't get anything done this weekend other than editing the video that went up today, which is Monday. So things happen. So I'm gonna go to Trader Joe's, I'm gonna get a bunch of stuff, and I'm gonna show you what I get because I'm also gonna meal prep today, a bunch of meals for like weight loss. I got my blood test results back. I just haven't gotten any word from my endocrinologist on like what issue I actually have, but I can see my blood work. So I'm gonna try to make sure that my food that I get today reflects my blood work. I don't wanna like tell you guys everything yet until I talk to the endocrinologist and get a better idea. But I think I know the problem and how I can like solve it myself now. I might need some meds or whatever, but we can do what we can nutritionally. So yeah, I'm going to go to Trader Joe's. That's in Winter Park. I need to go get coffee. I haven't had coffee all week. Like I made coffee here. Didn't buy it out all week, which is crazy for me because everybody knows I always buy my coffee out all the time and it gets expensive. So I don't know what else I'm gonna do today, but I'm gonna like have you guys follow along. So we're gonna do a little vlog. All right guys, so I'm about to go through a building. There's a Starbucks that's literally through a building. The drive-through is really cool. I'm gonna try to show you, but it's hard because it's kind of like dark, but I'll see what I can do. Good morning. Could I get a quad iced espresso and a venti cup with extra almond milk? And could I have that blended with no base?
Iced quad espresso and fancy cup with almond milk and blended with no base. Anything else?
Nope, that's all.
See you at the window.
Thank you. All right, look, we're going to the building. How cool is this? I think it's pretty cool. Oh, there's so much detailing on the wall. Hey guys, so I finally got home. I'm gonna show you everything I got. I got 2 of these almond milks that are literally just almonds and water, which is super awesome. Brown rice for meal preps, some corn and some green beans for meal preps. And I got 3 of these vegan kale, cashew, and basil pesto to go with the gluten-free pasta to have like throughout the week whenever I want pasta. I got a lot because I don't want to go to Trader Joe's like every week because it's like pretty far. So I got hash browns and eggs for breakfast, almond cheese because I'm trying to do no dairy. Yeah, so I can put this in like dinners or like eggs or something. I got chicken stock to make crock pot chicken with, and then some spinach for a salad, broccoli for meal preps, and then I got this dairy-free salad dressing. Literally just those things, which is pretty awesome. Strawberries because you need some fruit, green tea. All this was from Trader Joe's. These are from Whole Foods because Trader Joe's only had 2 unsweetened green teas. So I also got this cashew dip because they're having like a nacho night here at the house, so I wanted to like be able to have my own nachos, and I have paleo chips that like I can use. And then I got some Lily's Baking Keto chocolate chips because I use these for like little treats throughout the week for like paleo treats or whatever. And then I got these to snack on. I think it's literally just broccoli and broccoli, rice bran oil, salt. Super awesome. And then I got a paleo barbecue because they're making like barbecue chicken nachos. And then nutritional yeast because I'm trying not to do, what is it called? Parmesan. So hey guys, so life updates here. I went to Trader Joe's, I went to Whole Foods, which you just saw, but I didn't get everything. I have to get some stuff for my boyfriend too because I kind of help him meal prep and like navigate his meals throughout the week, or else he'd eat out all the time. I'm watching you, Nick. But yeah, so I am gonna go to Publix. I'm going to get some stuff for him and then some stuff that I couldn't find at Trader Joe's and Whole Foods, which is so random. Like I need cold brew because I'm trying not to drink coffee out every day. Last week I didn't drink out at all. I didn't have any Starbucks. I drank all my coffee at home and I had my green tea at home. So I'm trying to, I know I drank out today to get Starbucks, but like I was on a mission, Sometimes you need the coffee to vroom vroom around town. Loving it. So anyway, I'm gonna go to Publix and then get a ton of stuff. And I think I might make this like a 2-day vlog. I think I'm just gonna grocery shop today. And then I think I'm gonna meal prep tomorrow, and I'll show you me meal prepping everything tomorrow. So I don't know what I'm gonna eat today. I still haven't eaten breakfast, and it's 11:38, and I never skip breakfast. So I don't know, today's a weird day for me, but it's fine. I'm going to get some stuff at Publix, and then if I meal prep anything today, I'll show you. I kind of want to give you guys an idea of how I always start my weight loss journeys. I mean, this is still the same journey, it's just taking a little turn. So yeah, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna make. All right guys, I will see you after Publix. All right, so all the pasta and broccoli are in here. I'm just gonna add my pesto. I just kind of do a scoop per thing, honestly. And I'll probably use the whole container for all 3 meal preps because I still have to put chicken on top of these.
I'm